Here it is. Bride of Re-Animator. Just arrived today. Beautiful set from Ignite Films. And I had forgotten that I had ordered the collector's edition with the finger thingy, whatever you call this, finger creature. So we're gonna open this sucker today, right now. Surprised there are no other unboxing videos of this yet. I guess I'm the first. All right, so this beautiful thing just arrived today in the mail. And it's made to complement the original film. So looking at them side by side, that's what it's going to look like on the shelf. Just a beautiful set with great artwork. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna open up this sucker. I've already pre-cut it. I guess this is a carbon copy of the original film in terms of the contents of the box, and we shall see that in a couple seconds. Let's see if I get that thing off. And this is, of course, a J card that is glued to the actually, hold on a second, this is not, yeah, that's just a card that is glued. I need to be careful with that because I've made the mistake of pulling this thing too quickly, and the glue spots make an impression on the box, and that's almost off. Let's see there. A couple of glue spots on this side. Need to be super careful with that. I don't want to ruin the box. We're good. We are golden. So that's what it looks like. It is a chunky box with pink lettering. Eagle Rock Pictures. Beautiful. Yeah, I did enjoy this sequel. It's rare follow-up that's I wouldn't say it's just as good as the original, but it is a worthy follow-up to the original, in my opinion. All right, that's the box, and these are the contents. This is a hardcover book. Essays, photos, the works. More essays than anything. Yeah, I can't wait to dive into this film again and revisit it. So yeah, it's got a cool hardcover book. And I assume these are art cards. Glossy art cards. I don't want to tear this belly band off. But that's Jeffrey Combs, obviously. Sorry if the AC is messing with the sound. It's a pretty muggy day today, as expected for August. And I think I just ripped it off a little. Yeah, I did. Well, whatever. Yeah, these are the art cards. They're glossy art cards. They're all blank on the other side. And the digibook with the discs. It's a 3-disc set. It's an unrated version. And this one's loose. Hope it's not scratched. We're good. We're good. Alright, so let's see there. What is this? This is the rated version on Blu-ray. Yeah, I hate when these are loose like this. Thankfully, it's not scratched. Alright, so this is actually one 4K disc that contains the unrated version and 2 Blu-ray discs that contain the unrated version and the R-rated version. So there you have it. Again, it's a digibook style package. All right, I'm gonna set this stuff aside. It's a shame this broke, but they are quite flimsy. All right, so let's get this creature thing open. It's well protected with foam. More foam, and let's pull this out. It's got some heft to it. It's pretty hefty. Wow, I'm impressed. This has some good heft. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? You okay in there? You want to get out? Whoa. I like it. I like it. It weighs a good few pounds. I'd say, what, 4 or 5 pounds? I don't know. It's good. It's got some good weight to it. Very well made. I'm glad I got this. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I had completely forgotten that I ordered the collector's edition with this thing here. Wow, yeah, it's pretty heavy. So yeah, this is good. It's good. It's worth the money. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that is Bride of Re-Animator for Ignite, or from Ignite Films. I'll keep this Yeah. We're in for a treat, guys. Very high quality material here. Hard box. Can't wait to dig into this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.